Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make probiotic rice. Start by rinsing 2 cups of short grain rice until water runs clear, then soak it in cooled boiled water with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Leave the rice to ferment for 6 to 12 hours at room temperature, covered with a breathable cloth, and check for a slightly tangy aroma before proceeding to cook. Transfer the fermented rice to a pot and drain excess liquid, reserving a few tablespoons of soak water if the texture looks dry. Use roughly a 1-to-1. 1 rice to water ratio for short grain rice and cook on low heat with a tight lid, stirring once briefly if needed. When grains are tender, remove from heat and let the rice rest covered for 10 minutes to finish steaming and set texture. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep a breeze and keep probiotic rice fresh and mess-free, perfect for packed lunches or pantry organization. They stack neatly and seal tightly, which saves time and spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Fluff the probiotic rice gently with a fork and serve it warm or at room temperature to enjoy the subtle tang and texture. If you won't eat it right away, cool it quickly and place it in the fridge within 2 hours, using within 3 days for freshness. When reheating, warm it gently to preserve some of the beneficial cultures, and avoid overheating so the taste and texture remain pleasant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.